Hi, this is Charlie, and today we are going to dissect how to be successful on YouTube, especially if your goal is to leverage the platform for affiliate marketing and revenue generation. Finding a niche with high earning potential and low saturation is crucial. This involves a strategic blend of research, creativity, and understanding your audience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate this process. 1. Identify your passion and expertise. Begin by listing your interests and areas where you possess significant knowledge or expertise. Passion drives consistency, and expertise builds credibility. Your enthusiasm for the topic will shine through your content, making it more engaging and authentic for your audience. 2. Research market demand. Once you have a list of potential niches, research their market demand. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Trends, and keyword research tools such as Ahrefs or SEMrush to analyze the popularity of these topics. Look for niches that consistently attract a significant amount of search traffic but aren't dominated by too many established creators. 3. Analyze competition. Evaluate the competition within each niche. A niche with high demand but excessive competition can be challenging to break into. Conversely, a niche with low competition but also low demand may not be profitable. Search for your niche keywords on YouTube and analyze the top-performing videos. Pay attention to the number of views, likes, and comments these videos receive. If you find a niche with moderate competition and steady demand, you've likely found a promising candidate. Assess affiliate marketing potential. Not all niches are created equal when it comes to affiliate marketing. Some niches have higher earning potential due to the price points of products and services they promote. For example, technology, finance, health, and beauty niches often have higher value affiliate programs compared to others. Research the available affiliate programs in your potential niches. Look at the commission rates, the popularity of the products, and the overall viability of promoting these products through your YouTube channel. Evaluate audience monetization. Understanding your target audience is critical. A niche with a highly engaged and loyal audience can be more profitable even if it's smaller in size. Seniors aged 50 to 70, for example, may have different preferences and spending habits compared to younger demographics. Tailor your content to meet their needs and interests. Consider the purchasing power of your audience and their likelihood of buying through affiliate links. Create unique and valuable content. Your content must stand out. Even in niches with moderate competition, your success depends on providing unique and valuable insights. Identify gaps in existing content and strive to fill them. Offer a fresh perspective, higher production quality, or more in-depth information than what's currently available. Consistency in posting and maintaining high-quality content are essential for building and retaining your audience. Optimize for SEO. SEO is critical for gaining visibility on YouTube. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Create compelling thumbnails and engaging titles to improve click-through rates. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe as these interactions signal to YouTube's algorithm that your content is valuable, boosting its visibility. Engage with your audience. Building a community around your channel can significantly enhance its success. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that addresses your audience's questions and interests. Engaging with your audience fosters loyalty and encourages them to support your affiliate marketing efforts. Monitor and adapt. Finally, continuously monitor your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics. Track which videos perform best and generate the most affiliate sales. Use this data to refine your content strategy and focus on what's working. Be adaptable and willing to pivot your approach based on audience feedback and changing market trends. Achieving success on YouTube through affiliate marketing requires a careful balance of passion, research, and strategic planning. By identifying a niche with high earning potential and low saturation, creating unique and valuable content, and continuously engaging with and understanding your audience, you can build a profitable YouTube channel that stands the test of time. Stay tuned to this channel for thought-provoking recommendations on YouTube success.